Hi, Rachel this side from Efficient Manufacturing Magazine, reporting from Taiwan Expo 2025. And today I have Shalesh with me from iBASE. Hello, sir. Hi.
How are you doing?
I'm doing great. How are you?
Yeah, fine.
Okay.
Thank you.
So, can you brief me about your company?
Yeah, we are iBASE Technology, more than 25 years old company. So we are mainly in the industrial hardware product, not the consumer goods. We are working in different segments in AI components, motherboard. We also customize the motherboard, single board computers, workspaces, and media science player, media science player. So in this expo, in Taiwan Expo, we are highlighting media player, science players. In this, we have different range of products like entry level, mid level, and experiment level products. So we have from 2 port to 16 port HDMI port. So at a time you can run 2 screen to 16 screen 4K resolution each.
That's great.
Yeah, so this is as a demo I can show you. This is a SI212L. So if you do the customization and system integration using the reports of you can run out of the content you want.
Right.
So these are the things. If you go in Dubai Mall, if you see the big screen running on LED or
Right,
LCD,
right.
behind that we have the IBIS products. If you go in the QSINA or in retail, Reliance retail, well, we have our product there.
Right.
This is all about the retail science players. Apart from that, we are working with the government entities and private organization. If you go to the Delhi airport or Mumbai airport, you can see when you scan your passport or face reading, behind that we have our motherboard, IBIS motherboard. Also for retail aircraft, we are working on that project and already deploy our motherboard, so you can easily access the page and everything.
Right.
So these are the basically products we are working in. In Indian market, we are focusing on like railways products, defense sector. So we have provided some for products in BL, electronic, retail, then others defense.
Right.
So this is the overall story we have.
Right. So, are you dealing with like international markets as well?
Yeah. We have different salesperson and team. So handling, for example, for Europe, we have the European head. For
Right.
Middle East, we have the Middle East head. So all over the world, we are focusing.
Right.
If you go to the Barcelona, on the Barcelona metro, there are IBIS product deployed. If you go in France, we have the IBIS product deployed.
Right. So, what are your like future plans for the company?
Yeah, pretty plan. Yeah, if you want to focus in India, we are trying to give us the best because these products are very good in quality,
Right.
and as per the customer requirement, for example, the R&D and production, we are customizing this to support the project.
Right.
These are not like regular media players. These are the high media
Right.
players. If you use some other media player, it will work for 1 year or 2 years. But we have the example in the Reliance Retails where our media players working from last 5 years without any problem.
Right.
24/7, 365 days.
Right.
So this is the quality of our product.
Right. So, do you have any like new innovation this year?
Yeah, this we are already. If you go to our website, we have then you launch new products after the R&D and innovations.
Right,
Every
right.
time something as per the market and as per the requirement, how the innovation and R&D going. Accordingly, we are designing the products.
Right.
Our team is working behind.
Right. Right. Thank you, sir. Thank you for sharing your time. Thank you
Thanks.
so much.